Hey, welcome back to another episode of ACT and ASAT practice question. My name is Romel with the Tutor. This is more like calculator problem because you're allowed to use calculators in this exam. It will be easy for you to just punch those numbers and see what this is about. Let me show you what we have. So, I'll show you how to type it in the calculator too. Hopefully you have a calculator just like the one I'm using. Let me see. This is not coming as I want it to. Alright. Still blurry. Jesus Christ. Alright, let me just write this on the board. Y'all know what's going on. Alright, so 5.2 to the third plus 6.8 squared is equal to. Oh man, Jesus Christ. This wasn't supposed to happen. Scratching my throat in this video. So 5.2 to the third, 6.8 squared. So we just want to know what this is equal to. I'll show you how to type this in the calculator. If this is not, oh Lord. Okay, there you go. So hopefully you can see this. Let's see. I think you should be able to see this. All right, so 5.25 to the, this is the, this caret here will raise you to the third plus 6.8 squared. 6.8. Either you hit the squared or you could have hit the caret and then push the number 2. So that gave us what? 186. Oh Lord, 186.848. Alright, so, and the answer choice here is K. 186.848. If you enjoyed this video, please share it on your page. You'll help a lot of kids taking the ACT, the SAT. Again, my name is Romel Durandes with the Tutor. And if you want to work with us, there should be a link below where you can schedule a time to work with us. Thank you very much. I hope you have a good one. Thanks. Bye-bye.